been working on this project for so long and so hard now that this is the first real opportunity or chance that we've had to prove what we've been doing. We've been locked in the shed for so long, and finally now we get to come out and show the world what we're capable of doing. The industry that we're tapping into right now has been the same for thousands of years, you know, and the model that we're producing right now could be integrated and stepped into any country in the world, really. When you look at the way bricklaying is conducted throughout the world, it's exactly the same. It's the same process. So what we're doing now is we've introduced a robot into the construction world. All of a sudden, it changes the whole game. You know, this is the beginning of everything, really. It's the first step into commercialization of robotics in the construction world. The reason we lay the corners first is to align the bricks to the slab. We need to understand where every brick goes. So this gives us the guide or the understanding of knowing exactly where the perimeters of the slab are and start to fit into the grid reference that the Hadrian works to. Sometimes Hadrian will identify something wrong with a block, or it's laid in a certain position that needs adjusting. Sometimes it's as simple as there may be a bead of glue or a rock underneath that brick itself, and what that does, it forms a misalignment. So what we need to do is we need to manage out those misalignments. We need to understand why it's happened. We go in there, we remove the block, we investigate the process, and then replace it with a new block. It's been such a long time coming, and this is the proof that we've all been working for to get to where we are. So I think there's going to be a variety of emotions for myself. I think I've known the guys for a long time. We've all been working very hard, and we're all looking forward to the finished product.